Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Do police departments check your medical records? It's a major privacy concern for many people, and the answer isn't a simple yes or no. The general rule, and this is the most important part, is no. Police cannot just freely browse your medical history whenever they want. Your health information is protected by a powerful federal law called the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, or HIPAA. Think of HIPAA as a strong privacy shield around your health information. A police officer can't just call your doctor or walk into a hospital and demand to see your file because they're curious or have a hunch. That would be a serious violation. However, this shield isn't absolute, and there are specific, legally defined situations where law enforcement can access these records. First, and most commonly, is with a warrant or a court order. If police can show a judge that there is probable cause to believe your medical records contain evidence of a crime, a judge can issue a warrant compelling the hospital or doctor to release them. A classic example is a DUI investigation following a car crash, where they get a warrant for the blood alcohol test results from the hospital where you were treated. Second, they can access your records if you give them your consent. If you are the victim of an assault, for instance, you might sign a release form allowing police to get records of your injuries to help build a case against the attacker. This is voluntary, and you have the right to refuse. Third, there are emergency situations. HIPAA allows healthcare providers to share information with law enforcement to prevent or lessen a serious and imminent threat to the health or safety of a person or the public. This is a high standard and applies to very specific threats, not general investigations. Fourth, some laws require mandatory reporting. For example, healthcare workers are often required by state law to report things like gunshot wounds or suspected cases of child abuse to the authorities. In these cases, information is being pushed to the police, rather than the police pulling it. Finally, there's a big exception if you're applying to become a police officer yourself. During the extensive background check, you will be required to sign waivers giving the department full access to your medical and psychological history. So, to sum it up, your medical privacy is strongly protected from casual police snooping, but it's not an unbreakable wall. Access requires a specific legal tool like a warrant, your permission, or a clear public safety emergency. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful and want more clear answers to complex questions,